Let me show you how to make this photo manipulation in Photoshop. Open background image. Before doing anything, we must first remove the streak guidelines. For this purpose, pick Spot Healing Brush tool. And simply remove the lines like this. Choose Move tool. Now open model image. Drag and drop it to main document. To adjust the position perfectly, decrease opacity and reposition the image. Reset the opacity back to 100%. Choose Lasso tool and follow process. Go to Edit menu and select Context-Aware Fill and follow process. Press Ctrl-D button to deselect. Select 2 layer and press Ctrl-E button to merge layers. Create a layer mask. Select Brush tool and make sure foreground color is black. And follow the process. Create a hue saturation adjustments layer. Click on Clipping Mask icon. Click on this hand icon. Pick a sample from watercolor. Now move the saturation slider all the way to the left. Open this image. Drag and drop it to main document. Change blend mode to screen. Decrease opacity to around 70%. I hope today's video was useful for you. Thank you for staying with me until the end of the video.